Okay, so now we are gonna add unit testing with PyTest in external file. So the first thing we are gonna do is to create a virtual environment for us. Project Python interpreter. So okay, so what we are gonna do is add one. It's a virtual environment. We'll be running Python 3.8, which is okay. Okay. So now we have our own virtual environment with only those package installed. We are gonna install PyTest. PyTest. Okay, install package. Fantastic. Now we are able to run tests. What I'm gonna do as well is to define okay, that's already perfect for sources. Nice. Okay, so we are gonna create a new folder called tests, and we are gonna create a file which is the same name as this file, but with test underscore in front. So Python file test underscore disk space root. It's important to add test underscore in front, otherwise it will not be run. So yes. So for example, okay, I didn't see that this should be moved down. This should be moved in here. Okay. We are gonna test those tests. We are gonna move to unit testing, to PyTest unit testing. So I put in here just to for me to know. So the first thing we are gonna do is create a function called test underscore. Again, if we don't start with test underscore, it will be not be tested. So, and I will call like the function. Okay. So I expect this to be okay, so I will put nothing. Sometimes we add here like a success or okay or something, meaning that we expect the test to work, not to fail. So what I'm gonna do is in here I'm gonna import test. I'm gonna import disk space root, so I can use the so I will do get gigabytes from bytes. Or let me do something. So that's why important to have the if underscore name underscore equal quotes underscore main underscore quotes, because otherwise when we import it will execute the code that is outside that. This way we are adding only the functions or methods that we have in there. So now this prefix is no longer needed. So what I'm gonna do is the same, and it's really very close to the built-in unit test for those samples in Python 3. So we will do this assert. Okay, and if we wanted to check something more, we can do okay. If I add 100 bytes, I expect this to be like this. So I'm adding this. Okay, I'm gonna comment all of this. Insert. As we are gonna run just one test in this video to be very fast. Okay, so now if we run this, oh, test failed. Yeah, exactly. That's one of the things with the floats, that they are not treated the way the humans will treat it. They are inexact. And well, in fact, also this is my failure, because assuming 100 bytes, this is 1 gigabyte. It will not be 1.1. So that's all right. I mean, I did the test wrong, so it's nice that it shows to me. So in order to have that, I will need something like 24 per 24. And to make it more clear, I can do this. Okay. So that's 1 kbyte, that's 1 megabyte. And I have to multiply this per 100 in order to get 100 megabytes. So still it's not the same, but this is because the way the floats are treated. Yeah. So okay, this is this presents us a different case, because we are dividing by 1024. So okay, for me, I will be happy to say, okay, for me this test will pass as long as this returns this. So that's bigger than 1.09 and is smaller or equal to 1.1. That was the value I was looking for. Okay. So let's run this. Okay, now the test pays. Okay, so I'm satisfied with this. I'm gonna remove this from the list, and then I want to show something very interesting for you, which is running with code coverage. Running a Python test in test with coverage. So basically it executes, oh sorry, I have to install the coverage in here, it seems. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so now it has executed the code with code coverage, which means that you see it says 21% lines covered. It will show me in green the code that has been actually tested. So basically, I've been using get gigabytes from bytes. The comments are considered like tested. But that's the only one. That's the only thing that has been tested. This function. So I know I have to add coverage for all of those, and in case of having if, I will know what path of the if I have covered.